It's summer, guys, and look at all this air conditioner running. The Goodman air conditioner and the GE5000 B2 under air conditioner is also running. The compressor is working harder. The air is very hot. I know the compressor is very cold. It's cold as well. It's cold in the house. It's a little bit of vibration in the cardboard. And the compressor is already sweating. And the lights are sweating as well. It's doing a good job. It's cooling his room, so the compressor is working hard. It does have one fan motor and a quite good little compressor. I was like what I said. It's really hot. The fans. It's really hot. When I get close to it, it start hitting my hands. Yep, it's really hot out. It's really hot. I'm telling you. I'm being serious. It's really hot out. So because the oils are really hot, so that's what's making it harder. Alright, off to the next one. Here's my air conditioner. It's running cool mode as well. On high. Yep, it's one warm air. It's really hot. Of course, it's not much sweating here, but all your roof is sweating. Not just sweating. And Where's the can of water? And this air conditioner has a black ocean fin motor and quick and water compressor, just like my uncle's window air conditioner. Shh. And yeah, that's water compressor. It smells like uncle's. I mean, it smells kind of weird, the air in the corner. But it's not that bad though. That's the way it smells, you know. Yeah, it's all fun. Not the whole thing, but okay, that's pretty much it. It says that fairings, insurance, and more. Just know. So enough, and have a good summer. Stay safe and take care. See ya.